Hello everyone. Today our topic is computational operations for 4-digit numbers. Before I start, for those who are watching our channel for the first time, this channel is created with an intent to make kids learning easy. It has simple knowledge-based question and answers for kids. To join our channel, subscribe and press the bell button to watch more videos. So let's move on. So today we will be solving few question and answers covering the topics: addition and subtraction of 4-digit numbers, multiplication and division of their properties, finding missing numbers in addition and subtraction sentence, formation of numbers using given information. Moving on to question. What number should be added to 9999 to give the smallest 5-digit number? So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So the right option is B. Which sign in the box will make the given number sentence true? So what symbol should come in the box? So the right option is A. The difference between 456 tens and dash is 2456. What is the number in the box? Right option B. Next question. So in these questions you have some face symbols given, and if both the faces are even, then what is not the right option below? So the correct option is B, because as per the question there should be both even numbers, but here we don't have both even numbers. Moving to next. If 60 buttons are put into following bowls, how many buttons are there in each bowl if each bowl has same number of buttons? So we have 3 bowls here and we have 60 buttons which should be equally distributed in each bowl. So the right option 20. Option D. Next question. Find the missing digit in the box if remainder is equal to 2. Right option C. Next question. There are 2210 candies in a jar. If all candies are in pair of 2, how many pairs are there? So what does pair mean? 2. So the right option B. The solution is given down. Question. Akhil has 761 baseball cards and 431 football cards. How many baseball cards than football cards does he have? How do you get the solution? Just by subtracting. So the right option is C. Next, the difference between the two numbers is 432. One number is twice the other number. What is the sum of two numbers? Right option D. Next one. At Sai stationery shop, a customer is given 4 erasers for every 30 pencils bought. Sweta received 28 erasers. How many pencils did she buy? Right option A. Next one. Find the missing numbers. So you have 2 boxes there. You need to find out what numbers are missing in it to get the solution 7504. So the right option, A. Next question. At the assembly, 170 girls were asked to stand in rows. There were 7 girls in each row. Except for the last row, which had fewer than 7 girls, how many more girls were needed to put the last row? So, even we divide 170 girls with each row 7, still there is some remainder. So, you need to find out how many additional girls are required. So, the right option is C. Next one, Sneha planted some plants in the garden in small rows. If number of plants in the row is same as the number of rows, which can be the total number of plants? So what they are asking in the question, this clearly mentioning same number of rows as same number of plants. So which is the right option? Option C. Varnika puts exactly 6 stones in each of the vessels shown. How many stones she has used in all? So you need to first identify how many vessels are there. Then you need to put in each vessel 6 stones. So the right option is A. Question. How many thousands, hundreds, tens and ones should be added to give largest 4-digit number? So the right option, B. Next one. What is the missing number in the box? So there is a question mark in one of the box. You need to identify the missing number. So the right option, C. Next one. Sweetie has 14 beads. Pinky has 30 beads. How many beads must Pinky give to Sweetie so that each of them has equal number of beads? So the difference of beads is, find out the difference of beads, it is 16. Then you need to give equal number of beads to each of them. So the right option is C. Next question. Kishore was reading a book. After he finished reading half of the book, he placed a bookmark between 2 pages. The number on these pages add up to 27. So which is the right option? In which pages did he put the bookmark? So as he is saying between 2 pages, divide the number on the page with 2 and try to find out the closer value. So the right option is B. Next one. The cost of a wooden chair is ₹50. What is the cost of 24 chairs? So if one chair is 50, you need to identify the cost of 24 chairs from the option. So the right option is A. Next question. A school has 543 girls and the number of boys is twice as that of girls. How many boys are there in the school? So the right option is C. Okay kids, hope you are clear with today's topic and find interesting. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Also share with your friends. Have a nice day.